Hello my friends, welcome to Pro Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson 27 of the All for Strings Violin for Beginners course we're practicing the French folk song. It is number 89 on page 29 in your book. And this is a really nice song. It's a well-known French folk song. And this uses what I call zigzag bowing, and that is very much my term, and I think it's a very useful bow stroke. Why are we using zigzag bowing in this piece? If you take a look at the time signature, you can see that this piece is written in 3/4 time. So this is an uneven bow stroke because we've got an odd number of notes in each bar. Yet every fourth bar we've got a long note, so we need to make sure that we can play the long note at either end of the bow. Now if I play just at the lower half of the bow, I'll show you what happens. And now I'm finding myself in the middle of the bow, and now I need to play a long bow, for which my bow is really a little bit too short. So I could do this. And what I've just done on the last of the quarter notes, I've played a hugely long bow in order for me to be at the point of the bow and play the long A, which didn't sound very nice, did it? Now take a look. I'm going to zigzag my bow. I'm going to play a little bit longer on the first note, then a little bit shorter on the second one, and then I'm playing on the third of the notes in each bar, playing the rest of the bow. So across one measure, I'm going to go to the other end of the bow. And now you can hear really nice even notes. Can you see that? So this is the issue that I want to solve in this piece, and I'm solving it by using zigzag bowings. Now zigzag bowings, if you've never played them, feel a little bit strange because I'm playing equally long sounding notes, but I'm using a shorter bow at the middle note. So let's just play on an open A string and let's work out how that zigzagging goes. So I'm starting at the heel of the bow and I'm playing just above the middle, and I'm going to go a tiny bit back. So this is a light bow stroke, and now I'm going to finish the bow stroke. And I'm finishing at the point. Now from the point we'll do the same thing. We're going to bow just below the middle, then a tiny bit back, and finish off the bow. Shall we do that again? Play just above the middle, tiny bow stroke back, and finish the bow. That's it. Now let's play the song from the beginning with a zigzag bowing. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous song. I absolutely love it. If you've enjoyed this lesson, why not become a member of Henriette's Violin Club? This is a new feature on this channel, and members of Henriette's Violin Club get certain perks, and you can check in the description below as well as in the comment section below exactly what these perks are. So I very much look forward to seeing you soon. Goodbye.